Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing both devices so pairing is quick and reliable. Make sure the AirPods case is charged and earbuds are seated. A low battery interrupts pairing. On your Huawei, open Settings and switch Bluetooth on so the device scans continuously. Then open the AirPods case lid and hold it close to the phone. This creates the Bluetooth discoverable signal. Once you see AirPods appear in the device list, you're ready to initiate pairing. Don't dismiss the prompt yet. Now you proceed to pair and configure permissions so audio and calls work correctly. Tap the AirPods name when it appears and accept the pairing request. This exchanges keys for a secure link. If Huawei asks for location or nearby device permission, allow it. Android needs that to complete Bluetooth discovery reliably. Once paired, open Bluetooth settings to confirm the AirPods show as connected for media and calls. Make sure the microphone is set to AirPods if you plan. Finish by verifying functionality and knowing one key fix if problems arise. Play a track and make a test call to ensure stereo audio and microphone work. Adjust in-app audio output if needed. If pairing fails or drops often, reset the AirPods by holding the case button for about 15 seconds until the light flashes amber then white. This clears old pairings. If issues persist, restart Bluetooth on the Huawei or toggle airplane mode to force the phone to rebuild its wireless stack.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.